Well, we're told life insurance always a good thing to have, but we are in the middle of a pandemic, so is it even possible to buy it right now?
Right? Elliott Robinson is the president of Robinson Financial Group. And Elliott, this is anything but business as usual for pretty much everybody. So are you doing business as usual?
Let's put it like this. There's absolutely nothing usual whatsoever about what's going on in our country or even for that matter in the world right now. So to answer the question, can somebody buy life insurance today? The answer to that is yes. You definitely can. Most of the insurance companies today are limiting as to what they are doing, and I'm talking about the good insurance companies because there has to be a differentiation between the good companies and those that are literally on the edge and taking risks that they shouldn't be and could very well be off the radar sometime in the future if they're taking bad risks. However, if somebody has proven to be positive on a COVID test, then they're just going to have to wait. God willing, they'll make it through it, and they'll just have to wait 30, 45, 60 days, and then they can apply at that point if they want. But the truth of the matter is most people are not testing positive. Thank God for that. And because of that, insurance companies have finally woken up, and they've entered into the 21st century and are now allowing what we call accelerated underwriting, which basically means that they will do a telephone interview in place of a physical, and they will check your prescription record. As an example, why do that? How does that work? That works actually pretty simply. Because if somebody's a diabetic, no doubt they may be taking insulin or taking some drug to lower their A1C numbers. And that insulin information is going to tell the insurance company immediately that they're dealing with someone who's a diabetic, at which point the underwriters will say yay or nay. But today, it is actually getting more and more difficult for people over 70 years old to be able to buy coverage. Many of the insurance companies, and I'm talking the major companies, the companies we deal with, one of whom is in your backyard, and Pacific Life is an example, that are very limiting as to what they're going to offer and to what ages they're going to offer to. And that's a good thing. It's a good thing because it shows stability. An insurance company needs to be around when we need them. And the way that an insurance company today actually models its reserve requirements is based upon a pandemic. They actually say, what happens if there's another virus that hits us? How many death claims are we going to have? How long will we be alive? So to make a long story short, you've got companies 150, 200, 250 years old that have gone through the worst cases, have gone through world wars, have gone through numerous things that have happened in our societies and have sustained themselves. And therefore, we can trust companies like a Pacific Life or a Prudential or John Hancock. And these are the companies that we deal with as an example because we don't want to take chances with any risk whatsoever regarding our clients.
All right. Elliott Robinson, president of Robinson Financial Group, thank you for the advice this morning.
You are very, very welcome, and I thank you for this opportunity. And just want to let you last as a parting thought. Life insurance is nothing more than an expression of love. If when you're walking down the street and you're actually going out today to get some fresh air, and you see somebody, and that person's crossing the street to get away from you, you're saying, oh my God, could that be the angel of death that's coming at me? Maybe I should move away further too. And then you start thinking, what happens if I actually do catch this thing and pass on? So who's going to lose? Who loves me? Who do I love? What are they going to miss? Maybe I should go back and examine my life insurance issues. Maybe I should take a look and make sure that this expression of love by buying life insurance is something that I really need to examine. And that's really where we're coming from, which is those four letters in love are really the most important thing in today's world.
Elliott, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
To help, and thank you so much for the opportunity.